Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Jigsaw massage adapters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Feelfree Sport 4 PC's Jigsaw Massage Adapter Bit for deep tissue and soft tissue. This massage adapter gives an extremely excellent massage experience. These massage heads are made using high-quality EVA polyurethane materials that are environmentally friendly, no harmful substances, and suitable for skin. Moreover, the massage metal piece is made of high-quality metal alloy, making it very sturdy and has passed more than 50 million vibration tests. This Jigsaw massage adapter is well suited with most brand jigsaws, for example, DeWalt, the Raygun, Black Plus Decker, Makita, and so on. Ideally, the massage heads have a different shape, thus, you can use for different situations and positions. Also, they are very easy to change. Subsequently, these massage heads help to relieve joint pain, relax deep soft tissue, help reduce muscle ache, and promote blood flow. Lastly, it is very easy to use as you just need to connect one end to a jigsaw to the other end of the massage bit. Moving on at number 4, we have the CELYND Tissue Muscle Jigsaw Massage Adapter Bit with 6 PC's massager heads. Whenever you are looking forward to increased mobility, joint pain reduction, a blood flow boost, or muscle repair, you can be sure to have made a great decision after purchasing this Jigsaw Massage Adapter Bit by CELYND. It comes with 6 pieces of massagers' heads that are made of environmentally friendly material that is safe to use, no harmful substances, tasteless, and suitable for every skin. Ordinarily, this massage adapter bit has a human-centered design to bring maximum comfort as well as premium experience to your body. Subsequently, this massage adapter bits are suitable for runners, enthusiasts, weightlifters, and other sports fitness personnel. The package is small in size, compact, easy to use, and can be directly washed with water. At number 3, we have the TRAININGMASK Universal Attachment Jigsaw Massage Adapter Bit for Trigger Point. The TRAININGMASK Attachment Jigsaw Massage Adapter can handle its duties and purpose with ease. It uses scientific vibration amplitude and frequency where the massage head can relieve pain, significantly reduce muscle recovery time, increase blood flow, and activate the muscles. In addition to that, the large balls are ideal for a large muscle group while the standard ball is perfect for a small muscle groups. The ergonomic grip is made of durable TPE grip material to minimize external forces while making the massage more comfortable and easier. It is ideal to use for pre-game warm-up or post-workout recovery. Overall, you can use these massage adapter bits to massage your feet, hips, limbs, neck, shoulder, back, and anywhere you want. At number 2, we have the Axabing Mobility Jigsaw Massage Balls 6-piece Massage Gun Heads. Axabing Jigsaw Massage is a must-have attachment for your daily purposes. The adapters are made from EVA polyurethane material that is tasteless, safe, environmentally friendly, and suitable for skin. The 2 extension rods are made of high-strength stainless steel, making it less prone to breakage. Furthermore, this jigsaw massage tips are more reasonable and feature scientific design to conform to the human body structure. The mounting slot position does not require any polishing, and it is just a plug-and-play massager. It is ideal for runners, weightlifters, sports enthusiasts, and fitness products. Along with that, the massage bit will massage large muscle groups to reduce soreness and promote blood circulation. And finally at number 1, we have the Mobility Bit Jigsaw Plug-and-Play Massage Bits and Adapter. We are pretty impressed by the features that this jigsaw massage bits and adapter comes with. The T-shank is precision engineered using aerospace steel, making it durable and cannot bend or break even after heavy usage. The bits and massage heads have been clinically tested and custom molded to ensure maximum comfort and will give a quality massage that you expect. Moreover, the massage heads will endure heavy use and comes with an affordable price. These Jigsaw massage bits are made of firm rubber and are ideal for digging tight spots that need a small tip to target. They are made of maximum compatibility and can be paired with Black Plus Decker, Bosch, Milwaukee, Makita, Ryobi, Works, and more. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.